Hello guys and welcome back to this channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to add MacBook to Find My iPhone. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go and open your MacBook. This is what you'll have in front of you, so a lot of icons that you of course have and use. And now let's see how you can actually go and add of course MacBook to Find My iPhone. So now what you need to do is go and open your settings. So the settings you can open by clicking on the gear icon of course on your screen, or you can click F4 and then type in settings and click on system settings here to get to your settings. So this is a really important thing to do. Then click your Apple ID at the top sidebar. So you'll have your Apple ID, which you can of course go and click on your Apple account, and there you'll have of course the iCloud. So here, as you can see, when you go into storage, here you have iCloud, where you can of course go and stay connected. And here, if you have Find My, you'll have the Find My also application here, if you of course go and have it. So basically click on here, click on your profile where you'll have everything, and here when you go to iCloud, here you'll have Find My if this is one of your applications. So as you can see here, you have all the apps, private things that you can see, but you can see all here. And then Find My, as you can see, Find My Mac, it's off, click it on and click done, and that's basically that. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. That will be everything, and I'll be seeing you in the next video. Until then, as always, bye guys.